from the very beginning, Adi Leela, all the way to Anti Leelas, Radharani and Gopi Bhav. So how can one, this you can ask yourself, how can one, read the Chaitanya Charitamrita and come to the conclusion that Lord Chaitanya came to teach Gopa Bhav? How is it possible? Samarpayatum, he says, I haven't given this in a long time. That's why it says, the Paribhasa Sutra. Lord Chaitanya's come to give what? Gopi Bhav. Unat Ujjala Ras. Unat Ujjala Ras means Madhurya Ras. I've come to give this. And so Bhakti Shriyam, and my devotion, my service. My means in the Radha Bhav. So that verse establishes, this is the theme and the essence of all the teachings and all the leelas and stories of the Chaitanya Charitamrita are going to expand upon this verse. And that's what you see. And here and there's interspersed with some basic teachings of Tattva, which he gave to Rupa and Sanatan, so they could write Hari Bhakti Vilas and write the Bhakti Shastras. Because he ordered them later. He said, I taught you all these things. Now you go to Vrindavan, just Bhakti Shastra Likana. And Lupta Tirtha Prakatana. Says you manifest the lost and secret holy places and Bhakti Shastra Likana, and you write the Bhakti Shastras. So how can they write unless they're taught? So Dash Ashwamedha Gat, Lord Chaitanya taught Rupa Goswami the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. And then he taught the Hari Bhakti Vilas to all the points and key points to Sanatana Goswami, all the Sadachar. And from there, from those teachings of Lord Chaitanya, all the fundamental teachings, then the students, they learned well, so then they were able to write Brihad Bhagavatamritam, Sanatana Goswami, and Bhakti Rasamrita. And these two books, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and Brihad Bhagavatamritam, are the basic fundamental books by which all books expand from. The Bhagavatam, of course, naturally. But these are all the books from Baladev and Narottam and Vishwanath, etc. They're all expanded from these writings of Rupa and Sanatan.